Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Payton from Ninja Kidz. So let's get started. To draw cute Payton, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. I'm going to draw it with a curve, come right across, say about right here. And we're just going to connect at the bottom with a curve. Come down to about right here, which is my center, and go right back up. There, nice and round. And then now that we have that, I'm going to come back to the side right here where we started on the edge, and I'm going to draw a circle. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, towards the edge, and draw another circle. So now that my circle's in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now that my circle's in, let's go ahead and I'm just going to spruce them up a little bit with some lashes right here on the side. So maybe just 2 curves. And same thing here. Towards this side, just going to add 2 little curves. There. And then from there, let's give her a big smile. So say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and slightly go upwards and cap it off. There. Now that we have that in, we're going to come to the side where we started, and right here I'm going to put in the ear. So just draw a curve right there, and I'll add 2 curves inside for some details, and same thing here. And then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw her face. So we're going to imagine an oval, and since her hair is in a ponytail, I'm going to, let's say about right here, I'm just going to imagine an oval, so I'll just give myself a point right here in the center, about in this area, and I'm just going to start to draw a curve coming down to connect back to here. Then from there, I'm going to draw this very stylish hairstyle that she has, these bangs that come to the side, and I'll start all the way over here because it parts all the way here. And so let's see what's easier. You know what? Let's come in a little bit. I'll start about right here. I'm going to come up and come down back to where I started right here over the ear and curve out. And then whatever space I have left right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw it in. So then now I'm going to come out. So about right here, I'm going to come out and thicken up this strand. So go up all the way and come down and connect there. So sorry if I confused you. Just want this curve right here and that bigger curve. Okay, so then now that we have to give her some eyebrows, right? It's gonna look really weird. So let's come about right here above the eye, and I'm just going to softly give her a little arc. And same thing on this side. So say about right here, just a soft arc. There. And then now that we have that, I'll thicken this part up a little bit more. There. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm going to come about right here, this area, and I'm basically going to draw a curve all the way around on top of her ponytail. So come right here, and not too high up. So say about right here, just going to draw a curve right over, and then we're going to come right back and connect. There. And then for some details, you can come right here and just lightly draw some strands of hair. And then for her ponytail, let's come about right in this area. We're going to draw the band. So right there, and draw this little band. Then let's pop in this ponytail. Let's come up nice and high. And I'm just going to give it a little curve. And then right here, just bring it right back in. And then right here, I'm just going to add a curve to finish it off. And once again, you can add some curves right here for some strands. There. Okay, so finally we've captured her face. Now let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right here in, right in the center, and give her a little neck. And I'm going to come down and give her shoulders. So same thing here. Down and shoulders. Then from there, I'm going to kind of tentatively find where her armpits are. So let's say about right here. So where her arms bend out, about right here. Give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to draw a slight angle line down. There. So now I know what I'm working with. I'm going to come back and draw in some details. So now that I know this is kind of where her armpits are, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve on both sides. So this is for the strap of her top. I'm going to thicken it up. Right there, and then right here, I'm going to connect it with another curve and thicken it up as well. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this down more. So just still angling out a little bit, but not too much. And her top is pretty long, so I'll say about right here. I'm going to stop, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a curve right there. Make it nice and simple. And then right underneath in the center, I'm going to come right here and draw a slight angle line. This is where her legs are going to start. And I'm going to have her legs standing apart. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to angle this out, and right here, I'm going to come down to draw her leg. So let's angle this. See how and then we're going to get thinner as we come down. So let's bring this all the way down to about right here. And about in this area, I'm going to come out, flare it out a little bit more, straighten this, and then I'm going to round it off and connect for her shoe. So it's just this one long shape right here. So let's do the same thing on this side. So now we have something to follow. It's much easier. Just come all the way down right here. Bring this down. And just like this side, but right here we're going to start to flare it out a little bit and then in to create her shoe. So this is kind of like where her ankles are, and then we're going to flare it out for her shoe. And connect. There. And then for some details, let's come about right here. I'm going to cut them off for her tights. It's all up to you. You can give her shorts, or you can give her these ankle tights, or 3/4. And then right here, I'm going to add a curve right here to simplify a pair of shoes. And the sole, and then a curve right here. And 2 little curves right there, and some laces. So it's just an easy, simplified way to draw some shoes. And same thing here. There. So because these are tights, I'm not going to pop them out. They're just nice and tapered. Everything is nice and tapered. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So I'm going to have her arms on her waist hip area. So I'll say about right here. I'm going to use this where her armpit is. come out, and in this area I'm going to bring this down, and then about right here I'm going to angle out. So let's finish the arm and thicken it up to about right here where her elbow would be, and we're just going to come all the way down, and about right here where her hand is, come down, and then just add a little finger right there. So same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, make sure about the same area, curve out, then in to about there, angle in for her hands, and just thicken it up. Elbow, and come in. And then her hands, angle out, and then a little finger. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's see here. That is pretty much it for the main detail, for the main things for her outfit. But I wanted to spruce this part up and give her that Ninja Kidz logo, but simplified. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw the ninja's head. So I'm just going to draw a curve, but it's tapered right here. So a little bit sharper towards the bottom, and it's slightly at an angle. So you just kind of want this shape right here. Then we're going to draw the eye part of this head. So let's say about right here, I'll find my center, and I'm going to go up. So I'm totally simplifying this. Bring it down, and right here we're just going to come in, connect, and then the eyes right here. Sorry, it's so small. And then the little ponytail. So we're going to put the ponytail about right here. Curve and bring it in. And then this part right here, two little ends for the tying part. And let's see here, I'm going to put a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Payton. And then I'm going to put that burst around it. So if you want to do that, you're going to burst, flare this, that will spruce it up. There, okay. I'm just going to come right here and thicken. This part right here, these curved areas. And that is pretty much it for my version of Payton here from Ninja Kidz. I really hope you love how she turned out, and if you're a big fan of Payton, please let her know that I drew her, and I really hope that she loves it just as much as you do, and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and please give me a like and turn on your notification bell and subscribe, of course. See you later.